In this video, let me show you how to chat with friends in Duolingo. Is that even possible? So let's find out. As of June 2025, Duolingo does not offer a traditional direct messaging feature that allows you to chat freely with friends. However, there are still few ways you can interact and stay connected with your friends inside the app. The only way is through friend streaks. Duolingo now allows you to maintain shared streaks with up to 5 friends. Each person must accept your invitation, and both of you need to complete at least one lesson each day to keep the streak going. To set this up, head over to the fire icon at the top of your app. From there, tap on Friends, and then Invite Friends. You'll be able to choose which friends you'd like to start a shared streak with. So while there's no traditional chat option, Duolingo still encourages social interaction through shared goals and teamwork. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.